This is the first video of our learning Git and GitHub series, and in this we are going to learn how to install Git into our systems. For people who don't actually know whether Git is installed in their systems or not, you can just go to command prompt and you can write Git and press enter. If you get such a message showing branch, commit, merge, all the features of Git, then that means that Git is installed into your system and no need to install it. But if you get an error, a very big error stating Git is not installed, then this video is made for you. Stay on. This is the official website for downloading Git, which is git-scm.com/download, from where you will come to this page, and according to your operating system you can download the file. So if you are on Windows, you can click on Windows and the download will automatically start. Because I have Git on my system, so I'll not show you by downloading it, but after you download it, it is actually a zip file and you need to extract everything from it, and you just need to finish the setup of Git, and after a few clicks Git will get installed into your system. And after Git gets installed, you just need to write git dash dash version onto your command prompt, and you will be able to see the latest version that has been installed into your system. So in this video we saw how to install Git into a system. It is very easy. In the upcoming videos of this series we'll see how to use Git and GitHub to upload our code onto GitHub.